Okay, harap ka lang dito sa akin. Look here. Okay, smile. What is your name? How old are you, Jen?
5
years old. Okay, face to your right, like this. And smile. Okay, face on the other side. And smile again. Okay. Do you know how to sing? Yes. Oh, what are you going to sing? Twinkle, twinkle. Okay, sing. Okay, so acting naman tayo. When I say action, just pretend you're eating the burger. Okay, can you do it again? Gusto ko makita you're so happy. So yummy. Okay, one more pa nga. Okay, o kunwari naman, you're sad because you're hungry. Sabihin mo, Mommy, nagugutom
ako.
One more pa.
Mami, nagugutom ako.
Okay, smile.